Okay, real quick. Have you ever come across channels like Mocktail Music or Neko Noma on YouTube? These channels are posting beautiful, professional-sounding songs with full music videos, and they're getting millions of views. And here's the wild part. They've openly confirmed that every single song is made with AI. No studio, no band, no expensive production team, just AI. And they're making real money from it. So I started thinking, if they can do it, why can't we? And that's exactly what this video is about. Today, I'm going to show you, step by step, how to build your own AI music video YouTube channel. From creating the song, to generating the visuals, to stitching the final video together. And the best part? You can do all of this inside one single platform. Let's get into it. Alright, first things first. Let's set up the YouTube channel. This part is super quick. Go to YouTube, click on your profile icon, and select Create a Channel. Give it a name that fits your music vibe. Something catchy, something memorable. Add a profile picture, write a short bio, and you're done. Seriously, don't overthink this part. You can always refine it later. The important thing is to get it live so you have somewhere to upload your content. Okay, channel is ready. Now let's make some music. Now this is where the magic starts. Head over to Artlist. I'll drop the link in the description. Once you're logged in, you'll see the AI toolkit. This is your creative hub for everything we're doing today. Click on the AI music generator. This is where we're going to create our song using Lyria Pro, and trust me, this model is on another level. Before you hit generate, let's go through the settings real quick. You'll see two model options, Lyria 3 and Lyria 3 Pro. We're going with Lyria 3 Pro. This gives you a full 3-minute song with way more creative control over the structure. Perfect for a music video. Next, set the duration. I'm going with auto so it fills out naturally. Then you've got the lyrics option. You have 3 choices here: auto lyrics, custom lyrics, and instrumental. If you already have lyrics written, paste them in. If you just want background music, go instrumental. And if you have a concept but no lyrics yet, select auto lyrics. That's what I'm doing. After that, you've got genre, mood, theme, and tempo. Set these to match the vibe you're going for. Now, in the prompt box, describe your song idea in detail. Don't just write a sad song. Be specific. Mention the style, the mood, the tempo, the vocal style, the instrumentation, the structure, everything. The more detail you give, the better the result. Oh, and here's a cool bonus feature. You can actually upload an image reference. The AI will analyze the visual and use it to set the mood and tone of the song. Pretty incredible. Alright, hit generate. And there it is. The song is ready.
Mug behind the shelf, looking like a shadow of myself. The keys are on the counter where they fell.
Honestly, this sounds amazing. It perfectly captures the vibe I was going for. But here's my advice. Don't just go with the first result. Generate 2 or 3 variations, listen carefully, and pick the one that best matches your vision. You can also tweak the prompt slightly between generations to fine-tune it. Once you're happy, download the track. This is your foundation. Everything else gets built on top of this. Okay, now we have the song. But before we jump into generating images and videos, we need a plan for the visuals. And for that, we're going to use ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and type something like, "Analyze this song." Then upload the audio file. ChatGPT will listen to the song and extract all the key information: the mood, the themes, the emotional arc, everything. Once it's done, ask it to create a scene-by-scene storyboard for a music video. Something like, "I want to make a cinematic music video with this song." Create a detailed storyboard in storytelling style that conveys the core message of the song, featuring a 25-year-old female singer. And just like that, you've got a full storyboard. Now, ask ChatGPT to turn each scene in the storyboard into a detailed image generation prompt. Be specific about the visual style, lighting, colors, and composition. Once the image prompts are ready, do the same for video generation prompts. These will be used later when we turn the images into video clips. Alright, all our prompts are ready. Let's start creating the visuals. Go back to Artlist and select the image generation tool from the AI toolkit. Now, the first thing we're going to do is create our character image. This is important. We want a consistent character throughout the entire music video, so we need to establish her look first. Paste in your character prompt. Then, for the model, select Nano Banana 2. This model produces stunning high-quality images, and it's my go-to for character and scene visuals. Set your aspect ratio, resolution, and number of images, then hit Generate. And here she is. Our character is ready. I love how she turned out. Now let's move on to the scenes. Take your first scene prompt from ChatGPT, paste it in the prompt box. Now we have to add the character reference. So I am clicking here and then selecting the character image. Now, set all other settings and hit Generate. Beautiful. Now just repeat this process for all your scenes. Take your time here. The quality of your images directly impacts the quality of your final video. Once all your scene images are ready, we move to the most exciting part. Alright, this is where everything comes to life. Select the video generation tool. For the model, we're using Kling 3.0. This is one of the most powerful video generation models available right now, and the results are genuinely cinematic. Take your first scene's video generation prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in. Then, select the corresponding scene image from your history as the first frame of the video. This tells the AI exactly where to start visually. Set your other settings, duration, motion intensity, whatever fits the scene, and hit Generate. Look at that. That is stunning. The motion, the lighting, the atmosphere. It's exactly what I envisioned. Now repeat this for every scene. Paste the prompt, add the image as the first frame, generate the clip. Once all your video clips are ready, download them all to your device. Now it's time to bring everything together. Open your video editor. Import all your video clips and arrange them in order. Then drop your Lyria Pro song onto the audio track. Since we planned the scene durations during the video generation step, everything should line up pretty naturally. But feel free to trim, adjust, and add transitions to make it flow smoothly. You can also add subtle effects, color grading, or text overlays to give it that extra polish. And that's it. Hit export. And there you have it, a complete, professional-looking AI music video, ready to upload to your YouTube channel.
The walls are breathing with the ghost of us. A trail of stardust turning back to dust. I found your sweater in the hallway light. It smells of coffee and 1,000 nights. We were a movie that they didn't finish. Fading spark that time could not diminish. So let the sky turn silver and the oceans rise. I'm finding hope within the goodbye in your eyes. It's a beautiful way, it's a gravity pulse I am finally full. We are the echo that never really ends, broken in pieces. Starting again.
Think about what we just did. We created an original song, built a full visual world around it, generated cinematic video clips, and assembled a finished music video, all with AI, all inside Artlist. What used to require a full production team, weeks of work, and thousands of dollars, you just did on your laptop. And this is exactly how channels like Mocktail Music and Nano are doing it, consistently, at scale, and making real money. So now it's your turn. Start your channel. Create your first music video. Post it. Be consistent. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.